Eric, is it lifting? Eric,
Yo,
is it lifting?
yeah,
A lot.
it did a lot.
All right.
Doing a little bit more.
Keep going. You can see the gap that we have underneath here. So the slab underneath this patio, underneath this little shed is sunk away. The shed's hanging off the roof. So you can see the slab sunk down here. See how much it's sunk here. We're going to be drilling a couple of holes here, lifting this up. It's only slab she's concerned about. She's not worried about all that. But I'd like to assist it with the pry bars this morning as well. Yeah, it's quite a nice looking slab. It's not broken up. It's got a crack down the center there. This is all teetered down. I mean, this all is sunk a bit, but she's concerned about the area below her shed. So we're going to see if we can get that lifted this morning. Lean on that one as heavy as you can. Is it lifting, Eric?
Oh yeah, it's lifting without the
Okay,
pry
you got
bars.
some relief foam, yeah? So just let that set up.
Yeah, that's definitely moving.
Get this pry bar working. I'm actually thinking, because we've got good lift there already. How many revolutions has it done, Eric? How many revolutions?
Probably 2.
Okay.
Now it's still going up. Is there a lot of relief foam, Ronnie?
No, there's a little bit more now, so just give it time to set up. All right, Eric, come out there. Well, it just means that the material's pushing out towards the outside, which you don't really want. We want to keep the material underneath the slab. But it's good though, because it's pushing out. It means it's spreading out nicely, which is, it's not bad. No, it's just a loose shed that's on top of the slab, but the slab's sunk over time, but the shed's still connected to the roof and all the other framing. That's why there's a gap at the bottom. Well, that we're not lifting. We're lifting this one. So here we'll be able to see, so Eric can see if we're getting any lift. That back one's moving like crazy, which means, hey?
Yeah, front one's not.
Yeah, so that means that that little slab's moving with it. Oh, there we go. We've got some movement. They're moving or not?
No.
The back one's moving, so that's good. It's pulling that other slab up with it, which is good. We're lifting.
Oh yeah, that dial's spinning like crazy, Ronnie.
All right, good. Now
See
you
it?
can barely see this crack because it's closed up on this side. Yeah, you see, we can't even see that. We're getting there. Well, it's probably lifted. You can see how much it's lifted here from there to there. So we've got about a 3/4 of an inch to an inch that it's lifted. And what's nice here is these cracks are wide open, so we don't have to cut it with a saw like we had to last week. Everything's starting to creak now with the moving.
Those are my knees.
My dad says he shouldn't have eaten Rice Krispies when he was a kid, because now everything snap, crackle and pop as he gets older.
Still going up.
Yeah, just let that harden up.
Yeah.
No, we're nearly there. 1/4 of an inch or so to go.
Stop though.
It's okay.
Probably
It's
filling a void.
filling its
Yeah.
own void up. Yeah. One more
She's
shot.
not
Eric.
concerned about that slab.
No, you know what? We'll put some foam under there though. If we've got some left in this job. Now it's just filling up its own void, which is good. As it lifts up, it just forms its own void around it. So it'll lift it a lot in that area. But then, like now, when it's not getting much lift, it means it's just spreading the foam under its own void, which is a good thing because we don't want voids around it once it's filled it. So now the material's just spreading out around the lifted area. Yeah, everything creaking around us now, yeah. Eric, I think give it one more shot. Let's see if we can get a little bit more lift out of it, and then we're done. Yeah, then we're going to go back inside that shed. Okay.
There we go. One more short one.
Okay. That's when things go wrong, remember, Eric. Go. There we go. Look at that. Good call, Eric. Good call, Eric. All right. Now we're going to go back inside that shed. Short shots, Eric. All right, Jack.
Stand on this,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot.
All right, foam. So now what we're doing is Jack and I putting some pressure on this pry bar to lift this slab mechanically, and by doing that we're giving the material direction to flow. So we're causing a void by lifting it mechanically. So Eric's busy pumping inside, and because we're lifting it up and causing a void, the material is going to come this way to the corner and fill the voids and support and lift the concrete slab. So far it's looking really good. Eric, is it lifting? Eric,
Yo,
is it lifting?
yeah,
A lot.
it did a lot.
All right,
We're doing
keep-
a little bit more.
Keep going. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a lot of relief foam here. Because of the void, the material is pushing out really quickly. But it's not a bad thing because we've blocked the path of least resistance right here. So the foam will stay inside, but every time it seems to find a little path to bubble out. That there is like really good because it blocked that off. But at least it shows us that the material's moving around where we wanted to go. Because we couldn't get close enough in that corner while the washer was there. I couldn't get the material to spread far enough. I was hoping we could, but the washer wasn't too much of a problem to move. I just want to get the foam out from underneath this frame because I don't want there to be any resistance or lifting the shed up. See the foam that's got underneath here. Because that could, you know, instead of lifting just the floor, here it comes.
Yeah, it's going up.
I'm going to put material in that machine. Just continue giving short shots. I'm going to fill this machine up. Is the dial still moving, Eric?
Yeah, it is.
You're getting a lot of relief, Eric. Stand still.
Yeah, I think I'm filled up here.
I've probably used about 8 gallons already. That's the most important. I'll see if we can get some foam underneath this side piece here that's supporting this little lean-to, stabilize that. But that wasn't her main concern. She wasn't too concerned about that. So if we can, we'll get a bit of lift for her. Otherwise, I know she'll be happy with that. Level this side. That's what happens when you work in Florida. No, I don't want to use the pry bars anymore now, because it's not helping that much now. Now I want the foam to do the work. We got foam into the corner, you can see there. That's why I wanted to use the pry bars. Get foam in there, mission accomplished. So now pack the pry bars away. I was probably going to get some relief foam here, Jack. Yep, yeah. Well, because Eric's foaming right there. Okay, Eric, slow down.
Is it coming out?
Got a lot of relief here, so slow down a bit. Yeah, let it set up for a bit longer.
All right.
It's just the nature of the game. It's pushing this way. There are a couple of voids. It makes its own voids. Once it's lifted it forms voids. So it's just following the path of least resistance, which is normal. Oh wow. This has come up a lot. Even on the one outside, yeah, Eric.
Really?
Yeah, I think we're pretty close, dude. How's that gap look there? Still a bit of a gap, right?
Yeah.
Has that dial been moving at all?
Not really.
You see, I think we can't. Have you been hearing the shed move?
I have been hearing the shed move. It's funny. I hear it more. I hear a little bit more down that way.
Give me that pry bar of yours again. Well, there was some foam that got underneath this frame. If they get foam underneath here, like I just did, like I scraped out, the concrete will come up, but it'll start pushing the shed up, which we don't want. But also, my concern is these screws that are in the ground are not going straight back in the hole. You can start right there. Don't give a lot, just small little squirts at a time, Eric. I mean, I'm not going to put a bunch of material under there because she didn't really want us to do that because of the extra charge. But we'll put some material under there just to stabilize it. Lift it up, hopefully get a bit of lift, because you can see how much it has sunk over time. So hopefully we get some lift. But Eric, just short shots because it's a small area. Is it lifting?
Yeah.
Short shots, Eric, short shots.
Now it's coming out over here. It is lifting, but not a whole lot. It must have been a void.
Where is it coming out?
Right,
oh, there. All right, good. Go to the hole behind you. Yeah, I just wanted to stabilize that first. She didn't want that lifted originally, so it's just a little bit of a bonus for her that we stabilize that.
Now it's starting to move a little bit.
Okay, give it a nice big shot. Watch that foam there by your foot. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Okay. All right. All right, come inside, yeah, Eric. See how much we've raised it. We've got it up, I'd say about 95%, because this has got weight on the outside. It's just going to be very awkward, but we did stabilize this. And you know, later on, if you ever decide to do anything else, we'll come back and do this. But at least I got some foam under here to stabilize this. Just watch for relief foam there. Keep going. Keep going. And then once we've done this and we're done, I just want to see what happens.
What do you say?
You got foam there. Oh wow, did this come out? Yeah. Nice. Oh well, we know that void's filled. Wasted a bit of material, but part and parcel of the game. Don't stand on your... All part and parcel of the game. So. Alright, so we got this slab lifted up really nicely below this shed. We raised the shed up a little bit. We got that up probably about 3 inches. Did some crack filling. You can see that crack's come up really well. You can actually see how much it's come up. We're not lifting that slab, but yeah, you can see how much it's come up. And this side too, that had dropped down about 3 inches. We got that almost perfect, but there were limitations on that. So yep, and yeah, you can see how much we raised it up. Well, you can't really see, but there you can see how much it's come up. That was below the ground surface, so we raised all of that up. You can see some of the remnants of the foam coming out there, the relief foam. So we got this floor up really nicely. If you need any concrete repairs in Florida, call the number below. If you like this video, check this one out right here.